A7, I'm going to block off the low E, open A, pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the D, open G, middle finger, the 2nd fret of the B string, open E. Okay, one more time. Blocking off the low E, open A, pointer finger, 2nd fret of the D string, open G, 2nd fret on the B string, open high E. And just a little note, you may find yourself, once you put that pointer finger down on the 2nd fret of the D string, you might find yourself blocking off that G string by accident. What you want to do is try your best to curl your fingers as much as you can by bringing your thumb behind the neck as much as you can. Again, we'll go over that one more time. Open A, blocking off the E string. 2nd fret on the D string. Open G. 2nd fret on the B string. Open E. So blocked off E. Open A, 2nd fret, open, 2nd fret, open high E.